We ask that you enter through the garage, where we have some items for sale, housewares, household, cleaning products, more porch furniture, a collection of wheelchairs and walkers. We have 2 stair climbers for 13 steps each, so the straight run. You walk into the back hall. I'll take you through the center, the family room first, where we have a selection of glassware, antique lusterware, sugar shakers, books, small glass. We have a collection of Hull, Hull, antique clocks, really nice old lithograph of nice piece of Roseville. This is a collector's sale. For people that like vintage Victoriana, cowboys and Indians, we've got P. Buckley Moss pieces from the 90s. Anyone who's into her, these are limited editions. A beautiful set of ironstone, 100 pieces of red and white. A Bradley and Hubbard lamp in perfect condition. I say perfect, it should be excellent. Victorian mirror. 3 nice velour armchairs with nailhead trim, an antique mahogany hallway mirror, pier mirror, basically. In this area, we've got a leather recliner. The front door will be closed and kept closed with a Frederic Remington print on it. Occasional furniture, a nice little Victorian stand with a green marble top, kidney-shaped, a Ridgeway grandfather clock. All the furniture here is in excellent condition. She took great care of things, including this really neat turn of the century cross-cut oak Victorian display stand, which we have displayed on top, the Navajo Kachina collection that belonged to her husband. Here's a Pennsylvania House secretary. Some select pieces of pottery from Brazil and Navajo. Nice little desk lamp, Repro Tiffany piece. Christmas ornaments, a Hitchcock chair, a couple of Victorian armchairs in rosewood, an armchair and a side chair, an old sampler, and snow babies galore. Little Victorian cabinet made of mahogany for display. Now we have a long table of flow blue ironstone porcelain from the 1800s. So many different patterns, different pieces, mostly plates, soup bowls. We've got saucers, cups, butter plates, salad plates. We do have a sugar bowl, a vegetable tureen or 2, and a couple platters. Very nice pieces. So you can see close-up photos of all of these on estatesales.net. If you go onto Estate Sales and look up Estate Max, you'll see all the photographs of all these pieces, or most of them. Here's a nice pastel of an Indian brave. I don't know who did it. It's not signed. Or if it's signed under the mat. A reproduction federal style sofa. Nice mirror. Here we have a couple more P. Buckley Moss lithos. A set of Majolica from West Germany. Beautiful silver plate from 1937. A carafe and cups. Glass with gold. Here's an Indian brave. Polymer piece. And I'll come back to the Frederic Remingtons. Here's a dining room. Walnut, Pennsylvania house. 6 chairs in great shape. They need new seats. other than that. But most chairs, most furniture from the 70s needs new seats at this point. So it's right in line with the times in wear and tear. Nice break front, walnut Chippendale style, Art Nouveau style Queen Anne buffet server in walnut. It matches the set. It is not Pennsylvania House, but it's an antique. So here we have Waterford. We've got water glasses, wine stems, and rocks glasses. Volume discounts will be negotiated. Here's an luminaire. We're going to do our daily discounting. And over that, you've got to buy volume to get any more than the 50% off on day 3. Ruby glass stemware. Here's a repro, Art Nouveau mantle light, basically. Silver plate. Antique napkin rings. Some are very ornamental, very cute. Some are plain. They're all collectible and hard to find. In the break front, we have a collection of Andrea porcelain birds. Now back here, we've got the Frederic Remington bronzes. These are basically the medium-sized pieces purchased from the Remington Museum. I have all their current prices. I'm giving 20% off. So we have coming through the rye, the Stampede, Buffalo Horse, the Bronco Buster, the Rattlesnake, the Cheyenne, and the Scout. And I might have missed one here. But they're all very famous pieces. These are signed in the mold and have the little brass plaques on the side.